Hey guys, welcome back to our channel how to add image to video in Shotcut. So there's a quick way. You will just have to drag this video in this timeline, and after what we're gonna do, we will just tap on this playlist, select image, just tap on it 3 lines and add files option. We will just have to scroll down and we will just have to add any of images you want. I will just select these two, just open. So just tap on 3 lines, track operations, and just select add video track. So now what we're gonna do, simply again go in playlist, and I want to just this image drag to this. Now what we're gonna do, we will just tap on it, this filter option, just tap plus and just search for size. So selected this one option. Now we will just have to check the position, and as you can see there are the 4 corners of this image, and we will just have to small and adjust it like this side. And I want to just play this video and you will just have to see. So in this way you will just have add image to video in Shotcut very easily. You will just have to add a multiple images from the selected right over here, and you will be able to play in Shotcut. So thank you so much for watching, guys.